A very good morning to you all students. Here I am Mrs. Tanya, your English teacher, and we are going to start with Act 2, Scene 2 of The Merchant of Venice, line number 1 to 29. Okay. Now, as you all have completed the previous video, that is before the unit test 1, I have explained you about Act 2, Scene 1. Now, here in Act 2, Scene 2, you will see two characters. You can see in this picture two character. The first one is Lancelot and the second one is Old Gobbo. Old Gobbo means he is Lancelot's father. Okay, he is Lancelot Gobbo, the first one, the red color one, and the second one, the old man, is the Old Gobbo, that is father of Lancelot. Now if you move on with these two people, according to Shakespeare, this Old Gobbo, as I told you, father of Lancelot, and the here this Lancelot is regarded as the clown in this Merchant of Venice. And here Old Gobbo, he has come in only this scene, Act 2, Scene 2. Okay, and his wife name is Margery, and he is like one eye blind, like he's half blind. It is called, Shakespeare calls him half blind, he cannot see properly. And he comes to the place that is Venice, as he was the one, when he was young he was working under Shylock, and when he became old he gave his work to his son Lancelot. Okay, so after his old age, the means his son Lancelot was working under Shylock. So only in this scene Old Gobbo is there, who has come to find out his son, and he has also brought a dish of dough for Shylock. Okay, so this scene is a bit comical, like it is jovial kind of scene, where you will see how the son and the father, they have a conversation, but it is quite amusing. So let us see about Lancelot. Now Lancelot Gobbo is the servant. He was first the servant of the Jew. Now who is Jew? Shylock. Later on he wanted to leave the service of Shylock because Shylock was very cruel, very rude to Lancelot, and Lancelot was not satisfied working under him. So later on he decided to work under Bassanio. Bassanio is a Christian. According to Lancelot, he thinks that Bassanio is a rich man, he will give him good amount of money. So he wanted to work under Bassanio. And here Shakespeare described Lancelot as a clown, or you can say jester. Lancelot, you can see later on also in the scene until the end, that how he make everyone laugh. He had a good sense of humor. So these two characters, as I told you, Lancelot and Old Gobbo, you will see in this scene, Act 2, Scene 2. Okay, now let us move on with the line number 1 to line number 29. Here Lancelot, like he is in the street of Venice in front of Shylock's house. He is inside the house, and in his mind one thing is going on. Now children, you all know conscience. What is conscience? Which tells us what we have to do. Conscience, two types. One which tells you to do good, and one which tells you to do bad. And usually we people always listen to the conscience which tells us to do bad, because we enjoy doing bad. We means frequently only we listen to the good conscience. So here Lancelot says, certainly my conscience will serve me to run from this Jew. Now here Lancelot is really worried, and he is saying certainly means truly my conscience will allow me to run away from this Jew, my master, because now he was working under Shylock. So he's saying my conscience, I want to run away, because his main motto was to run away from Shylock. He's saying I want to not serve Shylock, I want to run away. The fiend is at mine elbow and tempts me, saying to me, Gobbo, Lancelot Gobbo, good Lancelot. And what fiend is here? What? Devil. Fiend, fiend means devil. Now this devil stand close to him. He is saying the devil is close to him and tempts him. What is the work of the devil? What does devil do? It always tempts us to do bad. It tempts him and says, Gobbo, Lancelot Gobbo, good Lancelot, or good Gobbo. like always devil will make you with all kind of sweet words. It never tell you anything bad, it makes you to tell sweet words. And he was telling Lancelot, Lancelot Gobbo, use your legs. Means here he's saying, or good Lancelot Gobbo, use your legs, take the start, run away. What he was saying, Lancelot Gobbo, stand up, take your legs, start and run away from Shylock's house. It means fiand. It means the devil was advising Lancelot that take the proper step and to run away from Shylock's house. And then he says, my conscience. Now here my conscience is the good one. You should understand the difference. Fiend is the devil which is advising Lancelot to take wrong step, and good conscience is the good one. My conscience is the good one which is advising Lancelot not to take this step, but first to inquire or to tell Shylock about it. So here he says, my conscience say no, take heed, honest Lancelot, take heed, honest Gobbo. Or as aforesaid, he was calling Lancelot as honest person. He's saying you are honest. You are honest. You are the son of an honest man. Your father was also honest. So you are an honest person, and in this way, do not run. He want to say that do not run, scorn running with thy heels. Well, the most courageous fiend. He's saying the good conscience was persuading Lancelot, do not do this. Don't run away. But again the devil, what he was saying? Well, the most courageous fiend bids me pack. But the devil persuading him to pack up and run. So Lancelot in this situation, he was really confused that whether he should listen to the fiend or whether he should listen to the good conscience. Well, the most courageous fiend bids me pack. Fear, says the fiend. Fear means run away. Says the fiend, away says the fiend, for the heavens rose up a brave mind. He's saying, for heaven's sake, build up the courage and run away. Now you can understand how devil motivates you. Devil motivates you very nicely to do the wrong thing. But the good conscience will always tell you to do the thing honestly, properly, patiently. But the devil will always arouse you to do the step in a wrong way. So devil was saying very sweet words and telling take the courage and run away. Now here again says the fiend, and run well my conscience hanging about the neck of my heart. He is saying my conscience. Again my conscience means good conscience. Pleading with my heart says wisely to me. But his good conscience was pleading and wisely saying, what he was saying, my honest friend Lancelot, being an honest man's son, is saying you are an honest person. You are the son of an honest man, or rather an honest woman's son. Your mother was also honest. Means your father and mother both were honest, and you are the son of an honest man. For indeed my father did something smack. He is saying, since my conscience says Lancelot, because I am the son of a honest person, man's son, or rather an honest woman's son, my conscience say Lancelot, do not move. So my conscience was saying budge not. Budge means the good conscience was saying Lancelot, do not move, be here. Says the move, says the devil. Now what the devil was saying, move. Budge not, says my again the good conscience, what he was saying, that no Lancelot, not to move, stay here. You counsel well, fiend, say I, you counsel well. But Lancelot, what he was doing, he was really ruled by the fiend, because fiend, what he was saying, that was pleasing to Lancelot, because Lancelot also wanted what? To run away, and fiend was also telling Lancelot to run away. So you counsel well, to be ruled by my conscience, I should stay with the Jew, my master. Now he is asking his good conscience, are you advising me to stay with this Jew who is already a kind of devil? This Jew is like a devil, and I should stay with him and to run away. And he is saying, and to run away from the Jew, I should be ruled by the fiend. But if I want to run away from this Jew, I should follow the words of devil, this fiend. Who is saving your reverence is the devil himself. because the Jew himself is the incarnation of the devil. What is incarnation, children? Incarnation means like same way. So Shylock is in the same form of a devil. So then why I should stay with the devil? So better to follow the instruction of the devil. And in my conscience is but a kind of hard conscience to offer to counsel me to stay with the Jew. He's saying my conscience is strict conscience, telling me to stay with the Jew. The Fian gives the more friendly counsel. And finally Lancelot hears to whose advice? The Fian. And that only happens with us. Finally, after a lot of confusion, we listen to the wrong conscience. We listen to the devil. I will run, friend, my heels are at your command, I will run. What the Lancelot says? He's saying devil is giving me the friendly advice. I will run away, devil, my legs are at your command, I will run away. He's saying my legs are at your command, I am ready and I am going to run away. So finally he followed the advice of a Fian and he ran away from Shylock's house. I hope you all understood. We later on we will do in the next scene.